I'm not able to get our TikTok English channel account back. No reply from TikTok. That is really very frustrating. So, okay, this one. Yesterday, how much is this one? 55. 55, right? Oh. Okay, so today also 55 for our audience, okay? Oh, and I can feel the texture. The iron crystallization texture and also the shimmering. Can I have this one? Okay, this one is also 55, right? Just like the bell one you claimed yesterday. Okay, thank you, 777. I'll put your name on it. I'll have your name on it on this one. So this is August 7, and this one is 55777. Okay, I'll have your name here. Thank you so much for the claim. And also please take a screenshot too. This one. Yes, and there's another one, a Yohen one. Let's have a look. But the Yohen is always a little bit more expensive than the Lotus one. So let me go check it. Confirm from the list. Okay, this one. Okay. Oh, yeah. All right. The Yohen is just more expensive. So let's see. Okay, this Yohen is. Okay, this Yohen is 89. This Yohen is 89. I want to know the price. I'm Carmelon's Rondo. That is cool. Let's have a look at this Yohen one. It's very purple. This one's quite purple. And very glossy. Measure 寄过瓶 stamp, bottom stamp. Let's have a look at this one. Rondo. This one's. Oh wow. It's super purple. Super purple. Awesome name. Yes, this one's purple. Wow, it's a hidden hairsfur. Hidden hairsfur. Oh, and it looks like dandelion to me. Why? Because see, there is a stem, and this is a dandelion. Yeah, this one looks good too. Yeah, and the rim, closer rim is already been transformed to the jade-like rim. Wow, all those small bubbles